Then I'm looking at the help. What's left? You see what I'm getting at by process of elimination? If I see this, this, and this, what's left?
Number 6.
Number 6. Does that make sense to people? Okay, because what we did was we broke this up. This isn't how you should do your highlighting. This is not highlighting, this is just, okay, I'm just showing you these pieces. Because Yvonne's suggestion doesn't include the nonprofit groups. So yours was a good guess, except that there are 2 things here. There's the government and the nonprofit groups, okay? So we can say, yeah, that doesn't really have everything. This is the discussion about how they're helping. This is the discussion about the problem. Local farmers have been cutting the trees. Now I'm just doing this to illustrate the remaining sentence. Okay, this is the part about what the problem is. They're cutting the trees, and they've been asked to stop, but they can't because that's how they make their money. That's the issue. So the government and the nonprofit groups are trying to do this. So if we're looking for a topic sentence, and this is the introductory story, this is the problem, and this is the solution, what's the only thing that's not one of those other things? See how I'm coming to this as the answer, is what I'm trying to do. But it's not, you know, looking for the closest thing to this, it's not anywhere near close. That's the problem. But your problem is that there isn't another sentence in there that's going to take everything else in there. Yeah, it's not ideal. But test any other sentence. Here's what you could do. Okay, if you really object to that, what I know Yvonne is saying, I'm not going to buy that. We have to say it's a combination of nine and 10. That's the only other way around it. Yeah, and here's what I want to say about this. One of the reasons that I'm making you do this, a seemingly impossible task, is that we don't do it in this class, but when you get to English 302, we go on with this. And what you're asked to do in 302 is take a paragraph that doesn't have a topic sentence. It's not every paragraph has a topic sentence. Some have what are called implied topic sentence, which this one actually comes close to. There really is no sentence that has all of this information in it. Okay? So when you're dealing with an implied topic sentence, you almost have to put 2 of the sentences together. Okay? So this is the only thing. It has the idea of the hopes of saving the butterflies, and the fact that there are 2 things trying to do it. And it says that it's in Nexus. Does that make sense to people? I know you're thinking, no, it does not make sense to me. But this is kind of a hard one to start off with. I probably should move this one to the end of the exercise, because it's kind of a complex one to start off with. It isn't really obvious. Okay? So I would accept 6 by process of elimination, and then it's the only sentence that isn't one of these other things. Or you could put down, if you feel stronger, you could put down 9 and 10. The book says 6. The book's answer in the teacher's edition is 6. But you'll notice I never use the teacher's edition to correct the papers. So yeah, because it isn't ideal. It's not necessarily sure. Okay, let's go to a break for 10 minutes, and then we'll come back and look at some more of these. Okay.